Hello, and welcome to 1141 Florida. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in the fabulous part of the Mission, located on a very quiet street, yet walking distance to all the wonderful shops, restaurants, and conveniences. Okay, so let's enter the building. This is a lovely Edwardian. You walk into this nice foyer. This is the first bedroom. It is currently used as an office. You do have a nice big closet, bay window, lots of natural light. This unit will be delivered unfurnished. You have beautiful wood floors throughout this apartment. This is actually a condo. This is used as the baby room. Lots of storage in this unit. Across the way is the second bedroom. It fits a large bed. This one is located off the street. You also do have a generous sized closet here. And there's plenty of room for a dresser as well. Okay, so as you walk down the hall just a little bit, you have a toilet in this room. Here is a nice vanity and bathtub and shower combination. It's been recently remodeled. Nice big shower head. And beautiful living room, dining room combination. This room does get a lot of natural light, and it is somewhat open to the dining room right next to the kitchen. The kitchen's been recently renovated. You have stainless appliances, refrigerator, dishwasher, and range. Okay, so just off the kitchen, you have a back porch with private stackable laundry machines. There's plenty of space in this pantry, and just a few steps down, you have an amazing shared garden. Okay, if you are interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.